Hey guys, how's it going? Film Nerd here, and I decided to make a video because I haven't made a video in a while. I said I was gonna make a Brave video, and this kind of relates to it. Hey doggies, here's my doggies. Hey, hey. God, they don't care. But anyway, my dad built a bridge this summer, and okay, this is my first time on it, and I like it. It's a cool bridge. Look at that, really nice bridge. Wonder if it leads to Terabithia. Yeah. Oh well, my dad just randomly was like, you know what, I'm gonna cut down some trees and clear out part of the creek and build a bridge. And so now we have a bridge. Figured this would be the perfect spot to do another video. In today's video, I just have a question, and it kind of relates to the abundance of arrow shooting in films and books lately. Question is, who do you think is the best archer? Here are your candidates. Katniss Everdeen from The Hunger Games, Merida from Brave, Hawkeye from The Avengers, Legolas from Lord of the Rings, Green Arrow from Green Arrow, Robin Hood in any form of Robin Hood, Katniss, Merida, Hawkeye, Robin Hood, Green Arrow, Legolas. That's it. That's it. Those are my only options. So those are your options. Katniss, Merida, Hawkeye, Legolas, Green Arrow, and Robin Hood. I want to see how this turns out, so pick an answer and tell me why. Also, the best shooter does not equal the one who shot the most arrows, so don't go pulling that on me. I don't like that. I want to see some debate. I want some action in the comments, because we don't get many comments on Late Nerdians, and maybe this will be the first video to get a lot of comments, because this one's based off of comments, and I want this to be interactive. I want some feedback. I want something, you know? I don't care if you have to shoot an arrow at the video. I don't care if you destroy your own computer with your bow and arrow shooting skills. As long as you interact with my video, then I'm fine. Now come to think of it, if you destroy your computer, you can't watch any more of our videos, so don't do that. And also, your computer probably cost you a lot, so I don't even know why I brought that up. So anyway, choose your pick. I don't have a personal favorite, but maybe the comments will pick for me. Since we're talking about Katniss from The Hunger Games, make sure you check out my Hunger Games video, where I talk about how I don't want Hunger Games to become Twilight, and so far that's a success. I'm glad there aren't any Team Petas, Team Gales. Right now, we're okay for Hunger Games. I'll also be make-loading, that's a new word I'm gonna use. Making and uploading. I'll also be making and uploading, or as of now, make-loading, a review for Disney and Pixar's Brave. That will also include a couple requests from Tumblr peoples, so hopefully those requests will add some content to the review. Content. Make sure to check out all the other nerdy videos from all the nerdy nerds on Late Nerdians. And if you like this video or any of the other content on this channel, make sure and let us know. You don't have to subscribe or anything, just tell us we're doing a good job or something along those lines. And that's all I have for you today. Make sure you pick your favorite film, Archer. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys later. I'm falling. I really do like this bridge.